In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Gmail attachments to your USB drive. So here I am in Gmail, and as you can see, I've got two different emails with two different attachments. So let's save them to a USB drive. So what you need to do is first plug in your USB. Once that's plugged into your computer, Windows may recognize it. If not, you need to go to File Explorer at the bottom. And then once you're here, you can go to this PC, and then you'll be able to find your USB drive. Mine's got two files on it already. Now what we'll do once we've got that open, we can minimize it. You can go to your first email, hover over the attachment, and you'll then be able to see a download button, which you need to click on. That will then download this, and it will go to your downloads folder of your computer. You can do this for as many downloads as you need, so I'm going to download this attachment also. Now we need to open up the downloads folder. To do that, again, we need to open up the File Explorer. We then need to go on the left here and look for downloads. Here you can see today we've got two items downloaded, which we can highlight. We can then right click and then click copy. These are our attachments. We can then scroll down on the left here and then go to this PC. We can then click on our USB drive. We can then right click and then click paste. We've now pasted the attachments to the USB. We can now safely remove it by going to the up arrow in the bottom right clicking on the USB icon, and then clicking eject.